guys! Today we have another unboxing, guys. Galing to from TikTok. And can you guys guess what it is? Now I'm pretty sure you can because my school, my pasok is bukas na. This is a bag, but it comes with many other bags or many other stuff. So let's open it, guys, and see. Let's review our bag. And hopefully maganda naman siya, guys. Wow. It's black. I got the color black, guys. Oh, naka-fold pala siya. This is how big it is. Kasi naman yung mga books dyan. Wow. And there are also other things. I got this for only 300, which is a good deal because there are other bags here. So here is our backpack. Oh guys, ang ganda. Let's see. Next. Ayan guys, there's a lot of space for my books. Kasi naman, maganda siya guys. I have the color black here. And there's not only that, pero may panglagayan ng mga notebooks, maybe. Maganda siya, guys. In case I don't have enough space in my bag, I can put my other books and supplies in this bag. Maganda siya, guys. Maganda yung tela. Maganda. I think there's something inside here. So, let's see. Also, guys, nagpa-haircut ako, guys. What do you think of my new haircut? It's short. Pero promise, pahabain ko na. Oh! There's a pencil case. Wow! To store my pencils, pens, and maybe correction tape. Oh, there's another one. Wow! Ito talaga yung pencil case, guys. Ito for like maybe alcohol or tissues for hygienic stuff. Wow! 4-in-1, guys. Grabe. Wow! Ang ganda pa. Wow, so this is definitely a 10 out of 10. There's a lot of space in the bag. Also, there is a lot of space here too. Maganda rin siya. And here, ano nasa loob? Oh, maybe it's for, pang dito, panglagay. Parang pang sling, alam niyo guys. There's 2 na ganito, so it's a 4-in-1. Wow, that's for a good deal too. So guys, meron akong nakitang freebies na pins na pwede mong ilagay sa bag nyo guys. Pwede nyo ilagay dito or anywhere or maybe sa isang bag. Tingnan natin guys, there are 4 pins. Wow! Ayun, naka-open to. Wow! This is what the pins look like. It might be randomized, but these are the ones that I got. And maybe the ones that you can get. Maganda sila guys. Tas maliliit lang. Bagay. At ito guys, my mom connected the sling thing for the bag. Pwede nyong gawing sling bag guys, na parang ganito. Diba? Wow! Tapos pwede nyo rin hawakan. Wow! Kung for example, kunti lang yung dadalhin nyo for school, pwede nyo itong gamitin. The sling bag rin guys. It's just as pretty as the backpack. Diba? Maganda tong bag to guys. Maganda tong panglagayan ng mga other books. And there are also other pencil case and other panglagayan. So go check it out. If you want this type of bag, it can be in any color. And I think it's very durable too. It's in my yellow basket, and go check it out in the link in my comments. So that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.